Get ready for the launch of Nothing Phone 2A on February 29, 2024. Experience the budget-friendly innovation with Nothing Phone 2A First Impressions. Mark your calendars for the top phones launching in March 2024, including the anticipated Nothing Phone 2A and Xiaomi 14. Stay tuned for more updates on the launch date, expected India price, specs, and everything we know so far about the Nothing Phone 2A. Exciting times ahead as the tech world awaits the arrival of Nothing Phone 2A and other cutting-edge devices in the market. Experience the unique and premium design of the Nothing Phone 2A, featuring a dark gray color variant with a dual camera setup and iconic Glyph Lights. Delve into the sleek design details, from the concentric texture around the camera island to the transparent elements showcasing the craftsmanship of the smartphone. Discover the impressive specifications of the Nothing Phone 2A, including a 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a powerful dual rear camera setup. With dimensions of approximately 161, 7x76, 3x8, 55mm and weighing 190 grams, this smartphone also boasts IP54 water and dust resistance for durability. Elevate your smartphone experience with the Nothing Phone 2A, a perfect blend of style, innovation, and performance.